Hello everyone, this is Tina. I'm from Shimai. Today I will introduce two products to you. CSK head self-drilling screws and Pan head self-drilling screws. First, CSK head self-drilling screws. It has a flat head, so also called flat head self-drilling screw and window screw, generally used to penetrate the window. And
你抬着我往里塞。
来。
来，行了。
等会儿啊，来吧。现在别碰到这个尖儿。
没问题了。
2毫米，到时候都给它标上啊，看到。
And it can be with ribs and no ribs. Second is pan head self-drilling screw. Its head is different. It is oval. Both of them are used to penetrate the mantle plate. Welcome your inquiry.